Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sir YouTube channel. I hope you're enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest technology videos. In this video, you will learn what is DevOps and what are the requirements to become DevOps engineer and who can take this course and what are the prerequisites and requirements need to become DevOps engineer. Then first let me define what is DevOps. DevOps is a new way of how software companies work, and it is a new culture and practice which aims at facilitating smooth communication and collaboration between development and operations teams of a software company to increase development, deployment, accuracy, and automation of a software manufacturing company. The professionals who are certified in DevOps possess an immense knowledge of all the applications of this domain are welcomed by most of the top-notch multinational organizations with exclusively high pay packages. Then who can take this course? Programmers, software developers, application developers, IT professionals, technical project managers, business professionals, operations managers, architects, and finally job seekers. Then what are the requirements and pre-requirements? He or she has ability to install software. They must ability to use GIT. They have some experience with programming, and also they have some experience as a system admin. Then where to begin? Once you have understand how things are done manually with no automation tools, then you can bring DevOps practices and tools more effectively into the picture. Unless you are good in operations, you are not gonna become an expert in DevOps. You need to become very familiar and have expertise in system engineering before you embark your DevOps journey. So you can begin this by learning installation and administration of various Linux distros. Start learning how to do scripting, learn Bash, Perl, Python, Ruby, etc. Then how to set up web servers, DNS servers, load balancers, Apache. Learn how to set up proactive monitoring for the infrastructure and software. Deep understanding of networking concepts, examples IP gateways, TCP, CID, ARP, etc. Understand how to deployment of various artifacts manually to the servers. Gain expertise in various RDBMS systems such as Postgres, SQL. Expertise in file system management such as EXT, ext4, NFS, etc. I know the list looks pretty exhaustive, but trust me, it is not. As you start to gain expertise in each of these tools, frameworks, process, and various technologies, you will start to gain more knowledge in more related tools, operating system, system applications, etc. So that's all about some of the basic information, how to start and what you should learn to become a DevOps engineer. So if you like our videos, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest videos. So thank you for visit. Have a nice day.